This is Hirsch Tactical here. I've had a lot of people ask me how to put together the Blackhawk Serpa CQC holster. So we're going to be talking about the paddle holster. This is for your belt loops. We're not going to get into that. Maybe another video. The paddle. I believe the hardest part for people to understand, you got these two pieces with little hooks on them. Let's see. Then you got the other side. Okay. And this is the part right here. This part right here goes on the inside and hooks up onto your jeans. So you want to opposite side of that hook, turn it over, and you got these two with the open right here. You're going to take that piece and the long ways part, you were just going to pop it in right there. Pop it right in. And the hook will be sideways when you do that. Okay, take a penny, dime, whatever you have. And there's a slot made into it as well. Put it in the slot and just turn it. And you want the hook facing up. Just like that. Okay? And obviously the other side, you want to do the same thing. Just pop in that long way side. Hook will be facing sideways, and you just simply turn it to face the up position. And this is what will hook on to the bottom of your belt. Okay, now you have 3 screws that come in the package as well. Okay, and you have 1, 2, 3. So, like I said, that part will go down into your pants, and that hook will prevent it from, sliding up. So we'll take this and put it in, whichever position you want it. You can cant it. You can put one here, one there, cant it. Right there is probably a pretty good position. If you want to carry it like that, the FBI carry, as some people call it. I'm going to go with just the top 2 holes. And these little rivets will kind of pop down in there to keep you guided where you need to be. So we'll pop those back in. And then, okay, take your screw, just kind of drop it down in there. So really the only thing you need, Phillips head screwdriver, penny or dime, either one. See. Okay. Drop your next screw, top hole, or whichever one you wanted to do. And if you do use the top 2 holes, it's going to be more of a straight up and down carry for the most part. Okay. And you got one more. And that one's going to go, if you line up the 2 top holes, it pretty much lines itself up. One right there, and it's going to be dead center if you don't can it. So we're going to put that screw in. That's simple, guys. Like I said, I think most people have the initial problem with these hooks. But like I said, just on the opposite side of that hook. Come around, put it in long ways, sideways, if you will. The hook sideways. When you pop it in, just turn it up. That's all there is to it. Thank y'all for watching. Blackhawk Serpa.